Hello everyone, I'm Srihari, Product Manager at Realme Global, and I hope that you're all doing well. Also that you got the chance to check out the launch of the Realme GT series and the Realme Book Slim. Now today I'm going to share more insights into what goes into building something like this, which is a perfect blend of style and technology on our first laptop, which is the Realme Book Slim. Teardown videos are something that are there in the open, but today we are not going to just do a feature teardown, but we are also going to do a hardware teardown of the Realme Book Slim, which is the slimmest 2K premium laptop that checks all the right boxes. So let's get to it. Here is the Realme Book Slim. There's the beautiful box that it comes in. And there's the all new fresh Realme Book Slim. So you can see just how light this is, just 1.38 kilograms, and it's slim. So we just didn't name it slim, it's actually slim. So 14.9 millimeters at its thinnest, and even at its thickest, it's 15.5 millimeters. So it's a really thin and light laptop. So first we are greeted with the user manual, the documentations, which are a very important part. We also have the Type-C to Type-C charging cable. This is a very versatile and powerful charging cable. So the Realme Book Slim actually charges via Type-C ports, and you have two Type-C ports that you can use to charge the Realme Book Slim. That's not all. You can actually use this cable to charge your Realme smartphone as well through either the charging adapter or even through the Realme Book Slim, because this is a Type-C to Type-C cable. Many of you might be wondering that this is a smartphone charger, but actually it's not. This is the charger of the Realme Book Slim. This is a 65 watt USB power delivery adapter with a Type-C output. This can charge your Realme Book Slim at 65 watt. It can also charge your Realme smartphones at 30 watt dart charge. There's another thing that you can actually use to charge your Realme Book Slim, not just the power adapter. You can actually use our 30 watt dart charge power bank, the Realme 30 watt dart charge power bank, to charge the Realme Book Slim via the USB Type-C to Type-C cable. So now let's get this cleared and get to the Realme Book Slim. So let's open the Realme Book Slim for the very first time. So I'll turn this on. The power button actually also doubles as a fingerprint scanner on the Realme Book Slim. Now we are also greeted with a 14-inch 2K display. So 2160 by 1440p is the resolution. It also comes with 100% sRGB color gamut coverage. We also have a 3:2 aspect ratio, which means it's a very tall display compared to a traditional 16:9 or 16:10 aspect ratio display. We also have a 720p webcam. On either sides of it, it's flanked by mics, which help in dual mic noise cancellation, which is powered by Elevok Walk Plus AI algorithm for noise reduction. So the Realme Book Slim comes in two color variants. This is the Real Blue, and we also have the gorgeous Real Grey. And these are the two colors that is available in, and I know what you're thinking. We are inspired by them, maybe, but who isn't? We also have an i3 and i5 variant. So there's an i3 11th generation with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, and the i5 variant comes in 8GB RAM and 512GB storage. Today we are going to tear down and disassemble the Real Blue Realme Book Slim. Do make sure not to try this at home. I'll just start taking out the battery because it's one of the easiest parts. But before that, the first thing to do on a board, on any electronic gadget that has a battery, is first disconnect the battery, take it out. This is a 54 watt hour battery. It's a 4-cell battery. It gives you about 11 hours of battery life for the Realme Book Slim with this very compact battery, in fact. So we have the 512GB SSD on this, and there you go. This is in fact upgradable, so you can replace the SSD for a larger storage version if you wish. This is a PCIe Gen 3 SSD card. The slot is actually PCIe Gen 4 compatible as well. Most laptops at this price will only have a single fan and also sometimes only a single copper tube for heat dissipation. Here we have dual fans, so this is a dual fan storm cooling system. these are the two fans that are part of the dual fan storm cooling system on the Realme Book Slim. Of course, assisted by the copper tubes that now we are going to take apart. Now we are ready to remove the heatsink. I'll just pick it up, and because underneath it is what you'll find the processor. Now this heatsink is massive. It's made out of copper, and the heatsink will take on all the heat and push it out of the vents towards the hinge of the product. We'll also have the dual fans that will be taking in the air and helping with the heat dissipation actively. So this thermal paste is of course the part that actually transfers that heat from the processors. Okay, so now we also remove the Wi-Fi card. The Realme Book Slim actually comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Now we move on sort of to the heart of this laptop, which is the processor. So this is the i5 11th gen chipset that you see here, along with the integrated Iris Xe graphics. So now we'll remove a few more cables before we take the motherboard out. Now I think it's finally time to take out the motherboard. So here you can see the motherboard of the Realme Book Slim, where you can see the DDR4 RAM, 8 gigabytes of it, and the i5 11th generation chipset as well. So here are two Type-C ports, either of which can be used for charging or data transfer. Of course, the one that's here is Thunderbolt 4 supported on the i5 variant. And in fact, the charging indicator is actually between them. And why we put it between them is because you can actually charge using either of these Type-C ports. I'll also now go to the other side of the Realme Book Slim. So we have the USB-A 3.1 port along with the headphone jack. So I'll keep that down here. And we move on to sound. What makes Realme Book Slim sound so good? These are 2-watt Harman speakers that are powered by DTS audio processing, and that's what makes them sound so good. I'll keep the speakers right about here, and then we move on to the trackpad. This is the trackpad. This is the thing that I love the most on the Realme Book Slim when I'm using it. You have an amazing experience on this. And that's the end of our teardown, I believe. I think it's time to now wrap it all up. So with that, we are done with the teardown and actually the reassembly of the all-new Realme Book Slim. The Realme Book Slim, this is a laptop that comes with a premium build, and it comes loaded with amazing features for entertainment as well as professional work. And of course, the gorgeous color as well, which is the real blue. So thank you so much for taking out the time.